What is audience retention and how to measure it? This will be a very interesting topic and we're gonna see this in detail. So please watch the video till the end. Let's get into the video. In YouTube terms, audience retention is the average percentage of a YouTube video that people watch. In simple terms, for how long your viewers watch your videos. For example, let's assume that you have uploaded 10 minutes video on your YouTube channel. On average, people watch 5 minutes of your video, then your audience retention is 50%. Audience retention is one of the key factors that YouTube algorithm analyze and show your videos to a wider range of audience. If your audience retention is less than 10%, then YouTube will stop slowly showing the videos to the other viewers. Why? YouTube algorithm will show the videos which have higher audience retention to the people because YouTube wants creator to create videos that keep people watching and keep the viewers in the YouTube platform. YouTube doesn't want their viewers to go out of the platform because of an less audience retention or a poor video. This is very simple because more audience retention will bring more views and more views will turn into more ads and more ads will bring more revenue. So you understand why audience retention is so important to your YouTube channel. You need to know how to measure audience retention so you can analyze where your videos are doing very well and where you need an improvement. So you can view audience retention data in two levels. First one is channel level, the next one is video level. Channel level, here you can compare audience retention performance among your recently published videos. This can be found under engagement tab on the YouTube analytics. Next one is the video level. Here you can deep dive into one video audience retention data. This can be found under overview engagement tabs of the YouTube analytics. Let's see how to view this data in channel level. Sign in to your YouTube account, go over to YouTube Studio. In the left hand side menu, you can see analytics. Select the engagement tab and you can look audience retention report. To see the video level report, the same left hand side menu, select videos and choose a video. Select on analytics. Understanding audience retention is very important. Knowing when viewers' interest is continuous or when they stop watching your video. It can give high insight to areas of your videos that are working very well and what are the opportunities for improvement. There are 4 types of moments that may be highlighted on audience retention data. First one is intro. It tells what percentage of audience was still watching your video after the first 30 seconds. It helps you to understand how well your video hooked into the viewers. Next is continuous segment. These are moments in your videos where almost no one dropped off while watching. That means you have a very good hook. After first 30 seconds, there is a continuous segment of videos, continuous segment that people are still watching and they haven't dropped off. That means your content is very good. Next is spikes. These spikes are the moment in your YouTube videos either rewatched or the moments that users skipped to. That means if you're demonstrating something, people are rewatching the same part to get a better understanding. Dips. Dips highlights a moment in your video that either people skipped or people stopped watching from your video completely. So don't bother about dips. Every video has it. Concentrate on intro and pay close attention first 15 seconds of every video. That's when viewers are more likely to drop off. So that's it for today's video. In my next video, I'll give you 5 tips to increase the audience retention. So stay tuned for this video. Hope you enjoy this content. My name is Vinod and I make YouTube growth related videos. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, share with your YouTube friends. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.